Hey guys, I'm Ashley Bassnight, a designer, builder, and lover of all things DIY. This is Homeowning 01 Winter Session. When it's freezing outside, there is nothing better than cozying up by the fire. But do you know how to use and clean your fireplace? First things first, you'll need a few things to light the fire. So here we have some kindling, logs, newspaper, and of course, some long matches. I'm just grab a match here, put the hair away for safety, and light. For safety, you want to make sure that you always close your screen here, and if you have kids, you can find a screen that's more suitable for children. Another thing to note is that you want to make sure that you always use fireplace safety tools when operating your fireplace, like I have here. You want to make sure that your fire is fully extinguished and the ashes have completely cooled so you can sweep those ashes out. Now, to make that task a little easier, I'm going to use my handy dandy towel here and pull out that grate. This will make it a lot easier to scoop out those ashes. Now that the grate is out, I'm going to use my fireplace tools here and we're going to sweep those ashes out. All right, now that the ashes and wood are out of there, we're going to get to cleaning. Grab your scrubber, and if you're like me, you'll want to have some fun gloves and also some soapy water. All right, guys, I hope you're ready for our arm workout because we're about to get to scrubbing. Woo, that was a lot of work. But now that the fireplace is all clean, we can finally relax.